magbibideo na yan. Pagka gusto mo nang tapusin, click mo lang square. Pagka ipopost mo, tangin na mo. Yun na.
Welcome to my Let's Play First. Let's Play.
Wala na ba ito? Modern Mansion?
Huwag mo siyang parang singgaya.
Welcome to my Let's Play number 1. I'm gonna give you my build.
Wait, ako nga bibideo mo ako. Maniga, I will show you how to build a TV.
I will show you
Niga.
the break. Need
Pupu.
stay
Pupu.
play free.
Niga that na. Alabaho. Alabaho.
Nigo.
Oh, magpaplat sa pala pala. Papakita ko lang mga gumawa mo.
I will show you
Portal.
all my builds. Not students, they can work.
Quiet, please. What the packing for siya?
Die.
Oh shit, creeper, creeper.
Oh my God! Ay!
Shut up, bitch.
Magawa ako eh. Ano na birawan? I'll show you how to
Make a portal.
so step
Ay,
one.
yun.
Get the items you need. Get a sensor, speaker, and
What?
comparison.
Let me down with this.
Get a lever. So, and that's it.
Aray ko, kasakit, Ivan.
I'm playing
Bo.
here. My
You need some cobblestone and build something like this. Yes, like that.
play it.
After dito,
Make some portal.
do it like this.
My friends are talking. And my other friend.
My friend
He's
is
a coward.
a fucking bitch and talking while I
Or
was
a coward. You're a coward. You look like
and I have a friend here who look like a pig. His name is fucking JD.
John David.
Fucking JD.
Fuck that bitch. I just say what you repeat my saying, nigga. What's my name? Oh, 4?
When you
I
finish,
make some
if you're
portal.
done
Please
doing my
check it down in the
instructions,
description
this is what you gotta do.
for more builds
It's a never
at
put
this world.
in the
Tell
background.
me down in the description, nigga. Tell me down in the description.
Stop saying nigga in the YouTube, bitch. You will get arrested.
You are gonna get arrested by the police, not.
Fuck.
Not in Mojang. Mojang.
It's working.
Mojang is very, very
Put
ugly.
some arrow in it.
No.
Wait,
He has
wait.
a mouth.
Before you move this,
It's
put
portal.
the hopper in it. What you gotta do is go down in the hopper and put some arrow. If your version is in the 14,
Oh, very beautiful.
Right?
What the fuck?
after you put the arrow, you can click the lever and the stove. You have the trap. When you hit it in the weapon, you have items, you have ingredients. Cool, huh?
What the guy?
What the fucking portal?
Shut up, nigga. You're not a YouTuber. Who's that guy? I'm gonna This
See
week.
what I'm doing right now? Each machine
Time
gotta
for
go down. And I show you how to make a motor. Like, just watch me, okay? What you need now is a railroad.
like
I'm
you say
ready.
like this
After that, get a minecart.
After
did that, get any blocks that you want for me. I will get the bomb, the iron. After you done that, the thing, and get the pen. And you want some design, put this item frame. What you gotta do right now is get the minecart again and push it down. There. You got it.
description if you like one of my
You go right in. Motherfucker! Fucking bitch!
Level 2. Level 3.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe. This is the YouTuber named by Philippines and
Woo! What the fucking shit?
Bye again.
I fell from the high place. Oh, rabbit, 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 rabbit. Where's rabbit? Rabbit is still high place.
bro. You don't like being a YouTuber.
Wee! Fell from high place.
Ano, bro? Now we show you how to make a trapdoor and then
This is rainbow parkour race. One, two, three, go. What?
You know how to do it? You know what you gotta do? Get some diamond shards. And put it like that.
I-pass break nyo pag gagawa kayo ng bahay.
What in the hell? Can you believe that?
Wee, wee,
And
wee,
this is the
wee.
second one.
Hmm.
Nakuha na ako. Ano?
Wala ka lang ganito.
Okay, kailangan ko ng video.
Thanks for subscribe and thanks for watching for Minecraft Pocket Edition. Thanks for watching. Bye.